Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file. It is a bitmap file, so you can't delete that red line or do anything about it because it's just part of a bitmap. And it's pretty rugged. You know, even the line's rugged and fuzzy, and the text is fuzzy and pretty bad. That possibly could engrave. I would not engrave it. And if we bring in the yellow box trick and go to order back a page, well, I should have made it yellow, and you can see that it's a bitmap. So what I would do is just nudge this guy out of the way. I've already drawn some indexing lines, and you're just gonna have to start typing it. And you know, there's no secret to this. I'd hit P, put it in the center of the page, and just then start moving and hold down the control button and get it like right in there. And then I've actually brought in the first couple, and then you could just, you know, try to just match up, you know, the spacing, and try to stay within these two circles. You know, this is going to be your outer line. This is going to be where your text is. And there's really no way, I guess, because the fonts are different. And, you know, I guess you could put this up here even on that font and then use a, you know, 0.25, you know, a 1/4 inch nudge it down twice, nudge it down over, and kind of just match that curve. And you're just going to have to retype it. I mean, Corel does not trace text very well at all. And then that way, I mean, if you look at the difference of the font versus the type font, which is a vector now, and if you just kind of do that, that's my only suggestion. And then you can erase these lines. After you're done, you could still use, you know, the outer one. He's putting those on a natural edge wood, so he's going to use like a red dot pointer to make sure it's there. Once you're there, you can delete it, or you could actually go to Windows, Docker's properties. Nope, not properties. Windows Docker's object, and click on that red line, and there it is right there, that ellipse, and just go, you know, make it invisible or invisible, and you could actually move it to a different layer, start a new layer. I don't do this very much, but there's a new layer, layer 2, move that ellipse up to the new layer, and then you could have it not print. So that layer will not print. That's what that little icon is right there, and then you could take that off, and it will somehow locked it, so you could unlock it. But that layer, if you put it up to layer 2, and then just don't print it, it won't print. And then you could actually take it away after you're through by the eyeball, so you can't see it. That's my only suggestion. So I would make those ellipses in that circle and just kind of retype it. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.